Okay, you know how I made that one about the Emerald unblocker like I don't know, like 7 months ago by like, or no, Doge unblocker. Emerald unblocker, it's like but Interstellar and Doge, Interstellar is probably the best, but it uses ultraviolet, so just use their own server. But if you want to host your own, this is the easiest way to do it. So first, go to this link, or just like do your thing. I don't know, I'm just using this for the example, but like if you like fork the uh interstellar thing from here, user interstellar, just search it on Google. Just search it up, and what you want to do here is you want to replace your like this thing right here with your username. So I do up down slash hacker, and then I would put my directory, so that would be this right here. That's for just for thing, and you can leave that blank because or you can just put main there. So then once you show up, you should have something like this. This won't do anything. So if you just open it up like that, like open up in a new tab just like that, boom. It'll only work if you're in like a new tab. So if you're in here in the preview, that won't work. Basically, all you have to do is go to the README. Just do bun, actually, npm I and npm run start in two separate terminals, or oh no, yeah, well, it's one terminal. So basically, you're just gonna go up to here, terminal, new terminal, load up the terminal, and then all you're gonna do is basically copy and paste this npm I, npm start, put it separate, just put it in there, enter, and then enter again. And you want to host the ports. If it's not already, just host ports on these two. I don't know if that one will work. Probably shouldn't. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, there we go. It shouldn't work. So the one that's gonna work is the start 80 to 80. What you want to do is, yeah, I don't know. I don't think you have to change anything because this is public. You can do it on any network. So basically, all you have to do is press this button, open a browser, and just open. Once it opens, if a pop-up says allow to open like other tabs, it opens about blank, so it doesn't go in your history and doesn't get blocked. Basically, now you have your all your stuff, all the games, you have all the apps, you have settings. You can change anything. Tab cloaker, so that's changing that to like if I want. Let's see here. Let's go to yeah, there we go. Let's do Schoology. You press leave, it'll reload itself, load up with Schoology. You can also do like background images, search engine, whichever one. Ultraviolet, like I said, that's gonna be the fastest one. That doesn't work if you're in about blank. So just use ultraviolet. You can use one of the preset themes right there. But like if you want to search anything up, see, it goes in about blank, so it doesn't go in your history. But if you want to search anything up, recommended is just go to google.com. Right here, you can just go like blah blah. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. That's why I said go to. I cannot spell with one hand. Yeah, but yours should work. I've used this. I don't know if there's a limit. If you're not on the same Wi-Fi, it's gonna be a little bit slow. So, yeah, that's basically that. Yeah, it's easier if you just host it on Versal, because it's faster. But most schools detect Versal, so that's the only thing that sucks about using code in sandbox.io. They just added this terminal like not that long ago. So it's like a not really a new way, but it's slow, not really good. I mean, if you just wanna host it yourself so you don't have to run it through this crappy website, you use like one of the things down below, like on Heroku or Kiwabi. Join the, yeah, as joining. Yeah, Replit isn't free. Yeah, that's the only thing that sucks because people used to host everything on Replit. But if you want to host it yourself, you can just clone it. Isn't the last thing? Yeah, get. So basically what you do, you go there, you create new file, actually, yeah, folder, blah blah, call it anything you want, interstellar, drag and drop that into VS Code, file, actually, internal, new, and what you're going to do is git clone, and paste that website in there, and it's going to start cloning it. See up here? It's going to start cloning it. Once this hits 100, alright, it should hit 100. Alright, just to be safe, I'm gonna close this. Boom. Open this folder that you just get cloned in it. I'll drag that out just for like no errors. Close that. Now you got this folder. Boom. Just open it back up in VS Code. Alright, now you're gonna go back to readmd if you don't know what you're doing. What the heck? Alright, yeah, well, I'm just gonna open it up in the preview, so that's just easier for me. Scroll down. If you're using Bun, PMP, NPM, or anything, I mean, you can also update it, but right now, I'm gonna show you how to use it with NPM. It's the same thing with everything else. Just do Control-C, copy, and then you're just gonna Control-V, and paste it there, or you can just type it. It's gonna do a lot of stuff like that. See, load. Let me just update this real quick. You don't have to update npm, but I just did that to do that. But alright, let's go here. Since we just did that, then we move on to the next step. Just copy, do Control-C again. Oh well, fine, you can just do that. Control-C, boom, and just Control-V, paste that. Alright, see, now it's running into that. So all you have to do now is open that, which is just, okay, well, I can't really, yeah, control click it, open it, it'll open up in here. See, this is where the pop-up thing, so if you don't want it to like show that, just like in there, just go here, allow pop-up and redirects, press done, reload the site. If you don't want your site getting blocked, do that, because then that will make it so it doesn't go in your history. Yeah. So now you have your own interstellar. Everything should just work. See, it's much faster. But if you don't want this to just be localhost, let me pull this up real quick because I have it saved in Discord because I don't know the command. I'm stupid like that. My bad. So if you just don't want it to localhost, either use that option or extension, fine, I don't care, I'll just download whatever. Alright, but if you don't want that to be that, all you're gonna do is press this plus button, and then you're just gonna type this right there, type that command, and just press enter. Ready? Oh yes, I'm just gonna allow because my antivirus connecting. It's gonna connect. You're just gonna type ES right there, press enter, boom. So I'm just gonna make this bigger. Either you can scan with your QR code, or you can just open your thing right here. Once you open it, just press open. Let me edit my antivirus. Alright, moment of truth, this should work now. Okay, never mind. Alright, well, I got it to work, so, it's just gonna pop up like this. Boom, this is your tunnel. But if you, like, ever, like, if you just, like, go in a new tab, like that, if you change any of this, it's just gonna say, like, no tunnel. Well, my antivirus is blocking it, but it will just say no tunnel here with a smiley face. Well, now you have this. It should, like, be the same amount of speed. It's gonna be a little bit slower. What the heck did I just type? But, yeah, it's gonna be the same. Remember, just add that to there. reload it to make it go in about blank. Your site has to be iframeable. If it's not, well, sorry. If you want me to show you how you can make your own custom site without like doing any of this, like host it without like anything, well, that's gonna be my next video either way. Yeah, that's basically all you need to know. If you close your computer, this will shut off, so then you can't go on. I don't really know if you can go on other sites, like, no, like, if you can go on this if you're not on the same Wi-Fi. That's the only thing I don't know. I think it's the same thing as, like, forwarding it to a port, like, 8080, allow, continue, open VS Code, forward, yes, forward port, 8080. I don't know if it can do that. And if you want this gone, just press Control C. It should stop it. 50/50, that works. Continue. Oh yeah, it's a tunnel, so yeah. Anyone on your local network can view this. So that's the only downside. So it's not public to everyone. So yeah, that's that. Just want to stop. You can just right click or just press that X, stop. And that's basically it.